Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Hi Priyank, welcome to IWM Buzz. And firstly, congratulations for this show. So कैसा लग रहा है होस्ट करके? पहले तो बिग बॉस के अंदर थे, अब तो बिग बॉस के बाहर होकर ही कमाल दिखाने वाले हो.
First of all, thank you so much, Shweta, for congratulating me, and it's a great feeling. I'm really excited for the show, and I feel I'm blessed. It's a feeling of blessing that not everyone actually has got this opportunity, and I'm the first one, to break the code. That's what I used to. You can break the code, and I tried in catching it after my Big Boss, been working really hard, and look today, आज थोड़ा सा फल मिल रहा है मुझे.
So आपने
मेहनत का something like that, so it's like I'm cashing on it. So yes.
So आपने बिग बॉस देखना स्टार्ट किया सीजन 30, कैसा लग रहा है आपको? आपने फॉलो किया होगा?
I have. I'm feeling good about this season. Honestly, I think this season is going to be like better than the previous one for sure. But it's too early. It's the second week. It's warming up. It's pacing it up. So let's see.
So do you feel कि कॉमनर्स नहीं है तो सेटल है, सब कुछ ठीक चल रहा है, और you feel कि कॉमनर्स होने चाहिए थे?
See, honestly talking about this, that I feel makers know it the best. अगर उन्होंने कॉमनर्स हटाए, and I feel changes are always good. So there must be a reason that why this change has come. Must be like people must have got done with commoners versus celebrity wala concept. So just maybe for a change they've got a celebrity concept. But I like both the concepts, honestly. So nothing is like more favorite. Like with commoners, like I feel it's more interesting and more power. With celebrities, it's a little more subtle. That's it.
So अपार शक्ति का आपने देखा होगा बिग बॉस सीजन 1, तो उसमें से कुछ आपने hints लिए हैं या anything you have catch up?
I think the concept is pretty much the same. We are only the host has got changed, and I feel we will try to make justice, like because Apar Shakti has done a great job, Sahil has been doing a great job, both of them, and I think I will take that legacy forward.
So who will create more buzz in this season according to you?
I have too early to say. 2 weeks.
Anyone you feel अब तक जो buzz create कर रहा है?
The same question after first month. 2 more weeks I would be able to answer, because over that time we'll be able to figure out who's more individually coming there with the point of view and who's more correct. So yes.
So are you loving the triangles of the Paras, Shehnaz and the Myra? Are you enjoying that stuff?
Of course, why not? Like it's fun, it's great for the audience to watch it also, and I hope it's pretty genuine inside whatever is happening, and I just hope they should be real. That's what I really appreciate. So and yes, that's
okay. तो जो contestant eliminate हो जाएंगे, तो आपसे उनसे क्या एक राज पूछना, एक कॉमन रखना चाहोगे?
So अगर कोई evicted contestant आएगा, तो मैं definitely उनसे पूछूंगा, ये ज़रूर पूछूंगा कि भाई कैसी रही जर्नी, because ये पूरी की पूरा बिग बॉस का जो घर है ना, वो एक एक्सपीरियंस है लाइफ का. So I will definitely be wanting to ask कि भाई कैसा रहा, क्या रहा, ये ज़रूर बताएं. So yeah, that's one of the things that.
After seeing Big Boss 13, recollect होता है memories of your season. Anything you love to share?
I really think about me spending great times, with friends. Like I have great friends like Ben today in life. Hina is there. Rocky was not a part of the show, but it's an extension to Hina. So became a great friend again. So I always remember that हम सब क्या करते थे. Hina and me were discussing also. I remember कभी घर में एक साथ चले जाएंगे तो क्या होगा. It's gonna be such a कुछ टाइम पहले की बात है. It's gonna be such a crazy and some emotional vibe for all of us. So yeah, that's how it is.
So it's your first digital debut as a reality show. So any plan up after this for doing a reality show on TV or
honestly,
something?
I believe in hard work, and I really believe that energies will guide you wherever you want to go for. You just have to be focused and stay positive.
Punchbeat 2 is also there.
Yeah, it's gonna be coming. Punchbeat 2 and 3 though. It's not just 2. So we will be starting it soon. Abhi there is some time to it. But अभी सिर्फ बिग बॉस के बारे में बात करते हैं. पंचबीट के लिए कर लेंगे, अभी बहुत टाइम है यार. मैं कहाँ जा रहा हूँ? मैं यहीं पे हूँ. आप कहाँ जा रहे हैं? आप भी यहीं पे. आप भी यहीं पे हैं तो देख रहे हैं मुझे. So we'll discuss about that as well, guys.
Okay. Any message for the audience?
Yes, please support your favorite contestant. I've been saying that, and I will still say that you can really make a difference to a contestant's life. Like I got chances, I got votes. You guys were the ones, or there must be some other people as well who voted for me, who gave me chances, and it changed my life. And now look, from a contestant today to a host of one of the properties of the show, you guys can also make a difference and get a difference to someone else's life. So please make sure that you support and you vote for your favorite contestant.
थैंक यू सो मच, ऑल द बेस्ट.